Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling transparency effects on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Transparency effects make windows and surfaces appear translucent. Here is how to turn them on and off. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization settings, select Colors. You can easily enable or disable transparency effects by turning the toggle on or off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.